So next one, reshaping an array. Reshaping an array. Right there. Reshaping an array. 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 All of right. Let us see now how to reshape the array. How to reshape an array, right? Let us try now. So let's take import numpy as np, then np dot array of let's take for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 some 10 like this. Okay, into a, right? So print of a, right? Print of a and print of a dot endim. A dot endim. What I mentioned here, one, right? One, guys. The same way, a dot shape. A dot shape. What is the a shape? This is the 10 by. These are 10 values are there, right? Okay. Now I want to reshape it. Here, how many elements are there? 10, right? Elements are there. Or else, let me take for example, how many are there now? 12. Right? 12 are there. So these 12 elements, we can take the combination of which production, like 2 into 6. Is it possible? Not possible. 2 into 6 is the 12. Right? Next one, 3 into 4 is 3 by 4 matrix. Possible. Next one, 4 by 3, right? 6 by 2, 6 by 2. Here's the combination. Or 12 into 1 into 12 and 12 into 1. Different shapes are there, right? Let us try that one, guys. Now it is giving 12 by, right? Now, so here a dot think reshape of let me take 3, 4. At 3, 4 means 3 by 4, right? Let me try it. Yes. What came here? So 3 by 4 means what's the meaning now? What's the meaning? So the same data coming as a 3 rows. In each row, how many values are there? 4 elements are there. Okay, say 4 columns or 4 elements. 3 by 4 matrix. Okay. Next shape, next possibility is a dot reshape of suppose 4 by 3. Let's take 4 by 3 here. So what's the meaning now? 4 rows in each row. How many elements are? 3 elements, right? 3 elements, guys. So 4 rows. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. 4 rows. In each row, how many elements are there? 3 elements, right? 3 elements are there. Next one now. Next one out here. Print of what? A dot reshape of. Let's take 6 by 2. 6, 2, right? What's the meaning now? 6 rows. In each row, how many? 2 values, right? See there, 6 rows. The same data. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same art is there. See there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Right? Next one. Next one, let me know. Print of another possibility. A dot reshape of what? 2 by 6. What's the meaning now? 2 rows, all 2 rows. In each row, 6 values or 6 columns are there. See, last one. 2 rows are there, right? And let's take here print of a dot reshape of, let's take 1 by 12. 1 by 12. What's the meaning now? Only one row. In one row, how many are there? Right? 12 values are there. Only one row. Last one, only one row, 12 values, right? Next one, print of a dot reshape of 12 by 1. What's the meaning now? 12 rows. In each row, 1, right? 1 element only. You can see last one. So first row, 1 element. Second row, 1. So 12 rows. In each row, only 1 element. This is the reshaping an array. Right? Debating. Reshaping an array. Right there. Right there. NumPy module supports reshape function to reshape the existing array into different shapes. Next up, it supports shape attribute to find out the current shape of the existing array. Shape attribute, right? Like A dot shape or B dot shape like this. So let's take this one. Output is not required. Just take the input programs and output. If you want write outputs, is output of this one. Next NGIM, its output. Outputs goes up.